everyone. Welcome to my course on ClickBank Success, Make Money Using Free YouTube Traffic. I'm really excited that you have joined my course. In this course, we will be learning some very exciting things. I will teach you how you can make money online using ClickBank as our affiliate marketplace and also free YouTube traffic. This course is for anyone. It could be for home-staying moms, it could be for working professionals who wants to add some extra income, and it can also be for those people who wants to travel a lot. Now let me tell you what affiliate marketing is. In simple words, affiliate marketing is to promote someone else's product for a commission. Say for example, we have a product here, MI40. The vendor is selling this product for $77. If a vendor is providing a $10 commission for affiliate marketers, so being an affiliate marketer, if I bring a customer to this page and the customer buy this product from my referral link, I will make $10 commission. That's how affiliate marketing works. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't have to keep any inventory. You can simply promote someone else's product and make commissions. So in this way, you can start your own business without keeping an inventory. In this course, I will teach you how you can start your own online business with a $0 investment. That is correct, without any investment. All I need from you is your precious time. If you promise me that you will implement the strategies you will learn in this course, I will assure you that you can start your own online business part-time, and once you can start your own business online, you can convert that business into a full-time job by scaling up, and I will tell you how you can do that. So in the later videos, I will tell you why I have chosen ClickBank as our affiliate marketplace and YouTube as our traffic source, and I will see you in the next videos.